We are continuing with our duets in Wunderkeys Primer Book 1. This time we are in the unit Happy in Hard Hats. And on the last page of this unit is a duet part for construction zone. So here is the teacher duet part. So I will play this two different ways. The first time it will be at a slower tempo, so you can practice how the parts go together, and then I will play it up to speed. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now let's do this up to tempo. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Have fun working on that fun duet.